Hello friends, in this video we see the importance of sucrose synthesis regulation. First is nutrient transport. Sucrose is the primary form of sugar transported in the phloem, which is the plant's vascular system for nutrient transport. Regulation ensures efficient delivery of sugars to where they are needed for various metabolic processes and growth. Second is stress response. Plants can adjust sucrose synthesis in various environmental stresses like drought, cold, and water loss. This helps maintain metabolic balance and survival under challenging conditions. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.